All right. This is Faisal. He messaged me on YouTube, and now we're on the Discord, and we're going to duel. I'm back with sub duels. When I lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. Want to duel me? Be in the video, or want to join the EDO Pro tournament? See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Dude! I forgot to say, let's look into the brains. It's my first time ever dueling him. We just reached out on YouTube and then shared our Discord. You say you're new to Yu-Gi-Oh!
Yes, I'm new.
Okay, you're gonna do fossil dig on a forehead.
Yes.
Oh. Soul Eating Over Raptor, normal summon. Alright.
I'm not very good at Yu-Gi-Oh, but
come on, out of the cards. Okay, right here. Okay,
I'll lose anyway, but let's go.
No, you gotta believe in the art of the cards, Faisal. Alright, I will.
You will get the heart of the cards.
Do it dark. Normal summon. Safer. Oh.
Oh. But I just did it recently.
Hold on here. I could still go. What am I doing? And just hand to the graveyard.
Oh, what the fuck.
Link Shoken. Strike a dragon. Activate effect. Get boot sector launch. What else am I gonna do here? How do I do this? Activate chaos space. Send
Yes.
a light so I can get a dark. And we got a dark, which is the black dragon. Discard the white dragon, get the black dragon. And then we'll special summon by banishing a light for black dragon.
Yes.
Then I will go into Romulus. Romulus effect.
Yes, I lose anyway.
I gotta try to beat the time here. Lance, equip. Lance effect. Equip. Oh, the imperm was in there. No. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, I need this guy in the grave. Oh wait, I can still do it right here. Link cross.
Yes, what about what you're doing? Oh, you'll
Link cross.
special summon tokens.
Get the tokens. Monster Reborn. Phalanx. Jeez, I almost didn't do it there. Then I'll go into Marcher. Marcher effect.
Yes, synchro or summon.
Then from here I'll go to Needle. Christian Halky Fibrax. Special summon Red Rose Dragon from the deck. Then I go Synchro
Just kill
Shokan.
me one shot, dude.
Hold on here. I gotta set up this board. This is gonna be Red Rose, White Rose. Red Rose, White Rose, and LP. Oh no, this is the column for infant permanence. Oh no, I don't think I could do it. No, wait, yeah, I could do it. Because it's just those zones. This is gonna be into another striker. Then LP. LP Brotar. Brotar. Target Dark Dragon. Discard to get a Dark Dragon, which is gonna be Rocket Tracer. Or that was Banish actually. Then go for the Whelp. Not using Whelp's effect, because that's just going to dump the Buster into the grave. Twisty, we could do another Striker Dragon right here. Then go for a Seal. Then go for Union. Gotta be careful with this column here. Then we go for a Boot Sector.
I lose anyway.
Boot Sector. Special. Rocket effect. Destroy to summon a rocket, which is Rocket Recharger. And I go Synchro Shokan. Borrowed Savage Dragon. Savage effect. It's gonna be Needle right here. Can you manage the Savage? Union Carrier, Savage, and that's gonna be the Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. Then we are going to battle Borrowed Savage Dragon. Attack your Soul Eating Overraptor, and now direct attack with Union Carrier, and then turn into.
Finally, I can't pass him.
What am I doing here? No.
Yes. I don't have anything to do, so.
Lost World, this negate and destroy Warlord Savage. You gate. Oh, it's only negate. Oh, what? Good effect. No, that's the wrong card. Negate the activation. Yeah, I'm going to Herald Darklight. Your Lost World.
So I don't have anything to do. Good luck.
Come on, out of the cards. Out of the cards. Noctovision Vision Dragon. Oh, look at this. The Union Carrier targets Savage to juice him up again. Noctovision. Wait, have to attack? Does this guy even it? This guy. Oh, okay, never mind. Round card. Battle. Borrowed Savage Dragon. Direct attack. Finish you. Perfect.
Good luck.
Alright. Thank you, Faisal, for reaching out to me on YouTube.
No problem.
Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.